Hi, this is Sylvia from DIY Stamping Fun, and today I want to share a short video about Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin is an all-inclusive craft kit that you get every month. So it's perfect if you're just starting out making your own greeting cards, or if you're a seasoned stamper and yeah, all the design work, everything is made for you. Okay, so it's a monthly subscription for $19.95. This is a box that you will get every month. At any time, you can cancel your subscription, or you can suspend it for a couple of months, or maybe just even 1 month. It's very easy to do. You don't have to jump through a lot of hoops to suspend or cancel. All you have to do is give them a call and or send them an email, and your subscription can be updated. So this month, it's a surprise every month. We sometimes get little hints as to what it's going to be. This month we knew it was kind of a succulent theme, and this month's kit is called Grown with Kindness. So it arrives at your house like this. You open it up. I've already opened up mine. And it's, like I said, all-inclusive. Here, these are the cards. These are the cards that you will have all the supplies to make 9 cards, and it even included the envelopes. The instructions are very easy to follow because they're all pictures on how to put it together. So even a kid can do this. If you want to watch a video, all you have to do is go to pumpkinhowto.com, and you can see a video as well as how to put it together. There's a little ruler down here in case you need it, and in the back it tells you everything that comes included in that monthly kit. The reason I'm showing February's kit is because we already know, we got a hint that in March it's the Paper Pumpkin birthday, and so not only will you get 1 stamp set, but you will get 2 stamp sets in your March box because they're celebrating 6 years of being in business. So make sure that if you're interested in getting this, that you subscribe before March 10th, because March 10th is when they actually go out to be mailed. Okay, so it comes to you with this pretty paper. You open it up, and everything is included. If you've never stamped and your very first, even if you have stamped, in your very first kit box, you will get a D-size stamping acrylic block. And this is so that you can mount your stamp sets. This was the stamp set we received in February. I love the teacup with the succulent. There's some pretty amazing sentiments that you can use, not only in this kit, but in other projects that you might want to create. So you get the stamp set, you get the acrylic block, you also get the ink pad. This ink pad was a fresh fig color. So this ink, you always get something to stamp with. And then here are the ribbons with baker's twine, black and white, so that you could add to your cards. It comes with the adhesive. These are little adhesive dots, double-sided, and it even comes with dimensionals to pop up your design. And it comes with all the embellishments. In this case, it was these metallic enamel dots. They're self-adhesive as well. And then all the supplies to create 9 cards. It was 3 of these, 3 of this design. I did it the way they wanted, the instructions said to put it together, but you can put it together any way you want. And there's some really great ideas. All you have to go is on Pinterest and put in Paper Pumpkin and then whatever month, and you'll see and say alternate ideas. And people are really creative, and they do lots of different things. They don't just follow what's in the kit, which is also fun because you can expand your creativity. So total was 9 cards. I thought it was amazing. I put this together probably in an hour, so now I have 9 cards that are ready to be mailed out. And not only that, but I've already made all the cards and this is what I had left over. So I'll add this to my crafty stash and use them for other cards. The other thing too is if you do have rubber stamps and you don't find one that's fitting in the kit, you can always add your own. I knew I was going to need an anniversary card, so I did it exactly the same way, but I had the happy anniversary in another stamp set, so I used that. So how can you take advantage of this great offer, and how will it help you with celebration? Well, during celebration time, it's only from January 3rd to March 31st. And during that time, you can earn free craft products, papers, rubber stamps, dies, all kinds of things. So there's a lot of really cool things in the occasions catalog, and you can find these catalogs on my website, www.diystampingfun.com. So when you place a minimum $50 order, you earn something for free from the celebration catalog. And both of these catalogs, as well as the annual catalog, is on my website. So one way you can take advantage if you're new to rubber stamping, or you want some of these really cool things, because like I said, there's rubber stamps, there's beautiful papers, there's also framelets, dies for your die cutting machine, and there's kits as well. There are kits as well available. But if you decide you want to try out Paper Pumpkin, if you buy a 3-month prepaid subscription, a 3-month prepaid subscription is $57. Well, that will earn you at least one free item from the celebration catalog. If you purchase a 6 months prepaid is $108, and so you can choose 2 items from the celebration catalog that are level 1, or you can choose at $100, you can choose the dies or this pretty amazing stamp set called Lasting Lily. If you buy a 12-month subscription, it's $209, and you get a lot more. You get 4 $50 celebration items, or you can get 2 $100 items. So it's up to you how you ever want to work it. I'll have more information on my website and on my Facebook group, and I'll give you a link on how to order, but you can always contact me if it's a little confusing for you, or if you would prefer for me to place the order for you. I can do that as well. So just contact me. And thanks again. Didn't want you to miss this opportunity. And remember that the March stamp set, because it's an anniversary issue, they're celebrating 6 months, you will get 2 stamp sets included. And we already know that it is a birthday card theme. And everybody has birthdays. Everybody needs a birthday card. So what better way than for $19.95 to buy 6 or 8. I don't know how many yet, but you'll have all the supplies, and your cards will be ready to use throughout the year. Thanks for stopping by. This is Sylvia, and I'm with DIYstampingfun.com, and you can also find me as DIY Stamping Fun on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks. Bye.